So the recent volatility in the markets probably got your attention. And now you know why. As you get within a year or so of retirement and you haven't seen a major drop in the market, you should be taking risk off the table. And it's also another reason why your primary investment account should be a plain old brokerage account, and it should be investing in cash flow. Be less dependent on the price of the stock and more interested in the reliability of the dividend. What is the company able to cover their dividend, whether the price goes up or down? Um, the volatility is from people chasing headlines. I helped active traders speculate in the market for over 20 years. My job was to help them plan the trade and mitigate as much risk as possible and create the best opportunity to profit off that volatility. If you're interested in doing that, I can help you. But in the end, your primary account should be in cash flow, dividends. There should be no restriction on your money. If you need to take some out, you take some out. When you want to put some in, you put some in. Speculating should be in your IRA. And your 401k is just in mutual funds. You have a pool of funds you're allowed to choose from. You can't get too particular, but you can mitigate as you approach retirement by putting some in a bond fund and less in the index funds that you've got going in your 401k. If you want specific advice, you set up a time, we can talk. Doesn't cost anything to talk, but the volatility is just the democratization of information on the internet and people trading headlines. So, maintain an account that you can sleep with. In commodities, it was called liquidating to a sleeping position, so that you're not worried about your investments every night staring at the ceiling from in your bed. So anyway, that's my 2 cents on the volatility lately. And most of my clients aren't too worried about it. They're worried about the reliability of the income. If you don't need the income now, you reinvest it. So anyway, if you want to talk more about specifics, get in touch with me. Otherwise, enjoy your day. Thanks.